Unveiling the Secret to Recovery. Sleep Off Explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of a very common English phrase, sleep off. This phrase might sound simple, but it packs a punch in everyday language, especially when it comes to dealing with tiredness or the aftermath of a big night out. Stick around to find out how to use it like a native speaker. In the English language, sleep off is a phrasal verb that means to rest until you no longer feel the effects of something. This could be exhaustion, illness, or even the effects of too much food or drink. It's the act of allowing sleep to heal or mitigate uncomfortable conditions. Let's break it down. Sleep is a state of rest, and off, in this context, suggests the removal or disappearance of something unwanted. When put together, they describe sleeping with the purpose of getting rid of something unpleasant. You'll often hear sleep off used in sentences like, "I'm going to sleep off this headache." "He needs to sleep off the flu." "She stayed in bed to sleep off the jet lag." It's typically used to suggest that sleep is a solution to the problem at hand. Now let's see how it's used in various contexts. Imagine a scene where someone has had a busy week and is feeling run down. They might say, "I'm going to sleep off my exhaustion this weekend." Or after a festive holiday meal, one might joke, "I need to sleep off all this turkey and pie." A common mistake learners make is using sleep off for regular sleep. Remember, it's not just any sleep. It's sleep with a purpose. So you wouldn't say, "I'm going to sleep off tonight," when you mean you're just going to bed as usual. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to use sleep off like a pro. It's a handy phrase that's sure to make you sound more fluent in English. Whether it's a headache, exhaustion, or just a big meal, now you can talk about your recovery plan with confidence. Sweet dreams and happy learning until we meet again.